Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell so then you get part of my notification squad. And today we are going to be making slime. We already started, sorry guys. We did the hard part before we started the video. And today we are going to be making butter slime. We're going to try to. And all we added was glue and some hand soap right now. So let's just get started. Okay, so guys, you need some lotion to add. We're going to use Winter Candy Apple. So pour some of that in. Or if you are using squirts, just do like 10 squirts. And that's it. Then you mix it a little good. In this video, we've done this before, the same exact one. We just wanted to put it again because we liked it. It was fun, so we put it out again. And here's what we made on our video. We made like 10 of these so far. It's like crunchy. But it's also very liquidy. That's not very good. I have another one I can show you that might be a little better. This one. Last video I made, it was a couple days ago. We did a slime collection. I think I showed this one in it. This one's super crunchy and stretchy. I like that one, it's fun to play with. Okay, so let's get back to our video. So next, we just mixed it. So we need to add some shaving cream. This is our shaving cream. Cherry Blossom. And later on, I might be eligible enough to add some clay. I paint the clay and then add it to my slime, but I ain't gonna do that right now. Not in this video, because it takes way too long to add clay. You have to mix it a lot. And, we just added Elmer's clear glue, but it's like white now, so it's okay. It is perfectly fine. Okay, so we got that done. Every other time I make this, it always turns slimy before I ever add the shaving cream. But now it's time for our borax. You add borax with water, and then you mix it together. And then that's your activator. So I added a little bit too much borax. Now I have to mix it every time. And just so you know, I made this bowl at school last year. So I poured a spoonful of that in there. Now I'm going to mix it and wait for it to become slimy. So we'll be with you when it's slimy. Okay, so guys, this is what I have right now. It's not very good slime. But I just added some more borax, and we're just gonna go from here on. Like, it's all on the neck of the spoon, and it's not all on the head of the spoon. So, alright, so I gotta knead it. I gotta push this stuff out of the way. And here's my slime right now. So I'm gonna knead it. Later on, you can add food dye if you want, or you can add some more sparkling glue and mix that. But we're not gonna do that. I don't want to. Well, look at this. Good. But you can add some glitter. I have glitter in here. I have blue glitter I'm gonna add to it. This I'm gonna do it in the video. Last time I did it and I made it Halloween theme because it's close to Halloween. It's 2 days before Halloween. Comment down below what you were going to be in for Halloween. Okay, I think that's good enough. We need a little sticky, so I think we're done with that part. We would add some cornstarch and some more borax with water, but we don't need it. Okay, so I'm just making sure there's nothing in my way, so you guys can't see me. So this is what we have right now. And we're gonna add some glitter. Last one, I added glitter and it made it yellow because I added yellow glitter because that's all the glitter we had, but we went to the store and we got some more. And now I have blue. This is just the first one I found in there. Spread it around. Now mix it in. So I'll be right back with you when it's turned out. Okay, so guys, I added a whole bottle of glitter. It's not really showing that much, but that's okay. I like it still. It's very nice. But we might have to add a little bit of cornstarch. They're going to follow the exact instructions. So I just add a little bit of cornstarch. And it's not really sticky, so I might add a little bit of this in. Might need to add some more glue. But guess what? I don't have no more glue. This is my fart buddy. So guys, this didn't really turn out as good as I wanted it to, but I would really recommend this as long as you follow the exact instructions. You should also add baby oil at the very end, but I didn't because I didn't want to. So yeah, this is my slime. It's actually very clicky. It's good for something. Oops. So guys, I hope you like this video. Bye.